There's something very interesting about the nature of reality. See, everything that surrounds you is just a physical manifestation of your mind. And that very fact alone doesn't make everything much more clear. So I'll explain. What you are capable of perceiving with your eyes is not the same as someone else's capacity to see it as well. The same goes with your other senses. What you call physical reality doesn't depend on something physical to exist, but depends on something totally invisible to the naked eye. And that something is you. You are not a physical being, but you exist in a structure that is entirely physical. This highly advanced structure is called a vehicle. A vehicle that allows you to maneuver your consciousness on a physical level. With this vehicle, you can do everything that you wish as long as you are aware of the laws that govern all creation. You, the mind behind everything that's in front of you, decide where to propel your consciousness. True freedom can only be obtained through mastery of your mind. Mastery of your mind is achieved by conquering the senses and wielding them under your control. As long as your actions are under the influence of the senses, you will always be a slave to fear, pleasure, and pain that propels your consciousness on an infinite cycle of unwanted experiences. Without key perception of what's going on, you risk your life being molded by others, even though you're the only one who truly knows what you want and what you need. What you see with your eyes is merely blinding you from the infinite that exists. You don't have anything to lose, because you never had anything to start with. All that you think is yours does not belong to you. It belongs to the infinite mind. And whether you come and go, you don't have full control over anything but yourself. And even so, to gain full control of your being needs mastery. But mastery needs time. So again, you, the mind behind everything, decide where time will be most prominent. The choice is yours.